Hello, welcome to NPML Tech Tips. This is episode 5. The mission of this series, as always, is to help senior citizens with their technology. And the topics we'll be going over in this episode are how to delete voicemails on an iPhone and how to block spam callers on an iPhone. First, we'll go over how to block a spam caller. This is actually pretty simple. First, we want to go to the phone app, which should be a green icon with a white phone outline on it. My phone app is in the dock. If you have trouble finding your phone app, watch video 1 of this series. Now, I'm going to start by opening my phone app. After you open the phone app, you will notice that there are 5 tabs on the bottom. You want to make sure you are on the Recents tab, which is the second tab. On this tab, there are a list of people and numbers who recently called your phone. The people that called you most recently should be towards the top. Now let's say the last person who called me was a spam caller and their number would be the one at the very top, so it would be this number 333-333-3333. This is obviously a fake number, but we're going to use it for the purposes of this demonstration. So if we want to block them, we have to click on this blue eye icon on the very right of the screen that is in line with the number of the spam caller. After we click on that, it'll take us to this page. On the very bottom of this page, there's a button that says block this caller, written in red text. You want to click this button. After you click this button, a pop-up message will show up confirming that you actually want to block this caller. Click on the block contact button on the bottom, written in red text. And boom, the contact is blocked. Keep in mind that you can actually unblock this caller by clicking the unblock this caller button, so this is not permanent. Next, we'll go over how to delete voicemail. Again, we want to go to the phone app, which should be a green icon with a white phone outline on it. If you have trouble finding your phone app, again, you can always go back and watch video 1 of this series. I'm going to open my phone app. After you open the phone app, as I said before, there are 5 tabs on the bottom. To delete voicemails, you want to make sure that you are on the voicemail tab, which is the last tab on the very right. Once you are on this page, you should see all of your voicemails, and the more recent voicemails should be towards the top. Now, let's say I want to delete this voicemail from John Doe that I received on May 9th. By the way, you can see the date the voicemail is from by looking on the right. So this voicemail that I want to delete is from May 9th. And if we want to delete this, we have to click on the specific voicemail we want to delete. You shouldn't click on the blue eye icon, just click on the voicemail. Click on the center of the voicemail. After we do that, these 3 icons, the white, the blue, and the red color ones on the right, will show up. We obviously want to click on the trash can that is colored in red, and after we do that, boom, it is gone.